Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style corn pulao. This recipe is so quick and easy and is so delicious for all the corn lovers out there. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन तळे थियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First heat water for making the rice. To that add 2 bay leaves and 2 black cardamoms. Bring it to a boil and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1.5 cup of pre-soaked basmati rice. Cook till the rice is 90% done. Our rice is perfectly cooked now. Turn off the heat and strain the rice. Spread the rice on a plate. I like to remove the whole spices. You can remove it if you want. Now to a blender jar, add 1 cup of frozen sweet corn, grind and make a paste. You can also use fresh sweet corn. In a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Then add 2 chopped green chillies and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and the sweet corn paste we prepared. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes and then add 1 cup of fresh corn or frozen corn and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Add the rice and mix gently. Be careful not to break the rice. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Our rice is perfectly cooked now and our delicious corn pulao is ready. The taste of this pulao is totally unique and delicious. This is a 1-pot rice recipe which is quick and easy to make and is so delicious. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.